We have with us the president of PATA China chapter, Mr. Jens Treinhardt, and I would like to ask you, Mr. Treinhardt, what is the aim of creation of PATA China chapter?
Thank you, Vicky. Basically, the aim of creating the PATA China chapter was to build almost like an industry advisory board for the already existing office in China, run by Kate Chang, who is the director for Greater China for PATA, based in Beijing. So whereas the office is looking to build relationships with bigger companies and with government, like the CNTA and Beijing Tourism Association and other provinces in China, the chapter's aim is really to build a community of volunteers, of members of PATA China. So it's really to facilitate communication and networking, and also learning within members in China. This could be Chinese organizations, but it also could be expats. As China is one of the fastest growing tourism markets all around the world, obviously China is getting a lot more interest, not just in China, but also all around the world, where people are looking to market to Chinese consumers or looking to develop hotels within China. So it's becoming a lot more relevant to develop the chapter in addition to the office that's already in existence.